if you're looking to dive into the world of crypto in Thailand, you might have come across Bitkub. But is it really the best exchange for your needs? Let's break down what this platform offers and see if it's worth your time and investment. Bitkub is a cryptocurrency exchange that's tailored specifically for the Thai market. At its core, it allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. The user experience is pretty straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned traders. The interface feels intuitive, and the mobile app has gotten decent reviews for its functionality. However, there are a few areas that could use more clarity. For instance, while the platform claims to have high liquidity, actual trading volumes can fluctuate, and it might not always match the expectations of active traders. Additionally, their customer support options seem limited, which could be a concern if you run into issues. Overall, while Bitkub has a solid foundation, some features feel underdeveloped, leaving users wanting more in terms of information and support. Let's talk about the pros and cons of using Bitkub. On the positive side, it's quite user-friendly, which is great for newcomers to crypto. Plus, it's regulated, giving it a bit of a trust boost in a market that can feel a bit wild. However, there are some frustrations. The lack of comprehensive customer support can leave users feeling stranded if they encounter problems. Moreover, while the trading fees are competitive, they can add up if you're a frequent trader. And if you're looking for advanced trading features or a wider selection of coins, you might find Bitkub lacking. It's definitely a solid choice for casual investors, but more serious traders might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Bitkub is a decent entry point for those looking to invest in crypto in Thailand, especially if you're just starting out. However, if you're a more experienced trader or need robust customer support, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but just keep your expectations in check.